Before we start, can I be honest with you? Sometimes speaking English feels difficult. You know the words, but when it's time to speak, nothing comes out. And that's okay.
Yes. If this feels familiar, relax. You are not alone. Many people feel the same way, and that's completely normal.
Welcome to EasyTalk English. This channel is for real people. People with busy lives. People who want to speak English without stress.
This is a safe place to speak English. No exams, no pressure, only real conversations. Your English is already good enough.
Let's start with something simple. Talking about yourself. When someone asks, "Can you tell me about yourself?" You don't need a long answer. Simple is better.
For example, my name is Emma. I'm from France. I live in a small city near Paris. Simple, clear, and natural.
Now let's talk about work. People often ask, "What do you do?" You can answer like this: I work in an office. I'm a student. I work as an engineer.
You can also add one short sentence. At the moment, I work from home. I like my job. Sometimes it's stressful. That's very normal.
Now let's talk about free time. People often ask, "What do you like to do?"
You can say, in my free time, I like walking. I enjoy music. I watch movies in the evening. You don't need big hobbies. Simple activities are perfect.
Hi, I'm Max. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Max. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you too.
That's interesting. What do you do?
I work in marketing. In my free time, I like cooking and walking.
That sounds nice.
Yes, it helps me relax.
Now it's your turn. Speak slowly. Take your time. Repeat after me. My name is.
I'm from.
I live in.
I work as.
In my free time, I like.
You're doing well. Really, speaking takes time, and you are learning.
Remember one thing. Confidence comes from practice, not from perfection. Write one sentence about yourself in the comments. Tomorrow, we talk about your daily routine. See you tomorrow.